Hey there, how are you today? This is Kelly Ackley with Keller Williams. We are doing a special. We are trying to find the right vendors for you to use, right? We all have things that we need done in the house. We're all going to need things updated, but the gist of it comes down to who we trust to put in our house. So I wanted to introduce you to Angela and Spencer. They are they're the franchise owners of TrueBlue Home Care, and they service the St. Pete area. They are open to Pinellas as well in some areas. Yes. So nice to meet you. Thank you guys for coming.
Awesome, thank you.
Thank you.
Angela, Spencer. All right. Tell me a little bit about your business.
Okay, well, I'll just kind of start, and of course, he'll butt in.
Absolutely.
Or vice versa.
Okay, all right.
So, of course, TrueBlue, and as we're new here, but Spencer's been in the home improvement, remodeling business for 20 years in Tennessee. So, we've been in Florida 2 years now, and just got back into this. He's been doing a lot of repairs, but brought into TrueBlue recently. So, we have professional handyman. And we like to do total, like if it needs to be a total remodel, we can do it. Okay. But we like anything from the small ceiling fans needing adjustment to a door needing fixed. So that's everything.
Getting the house ready to sell.
Yes.
Things right after you move in, little things to do. They are licensed as a GC.
Yes.
That's good to know.
So this is homes and condos.
Beautiful.
So just, plenty of condos here that need it.
Yes, absolutely.
And so we specialize in maintenance, repairs, and remodels. And also we have, through TrueBlue, partnered with realtors and maintenance companies. So we have like a contract and connection with that.
Okay. And then you guys do have something a little bit different that I haven't heard of, and it's called Aging in Place. So can you tell us a little bit about that?
Sure.
You can do
Go right ahead.
Well, so that's what it is, aging in place. So trying to keep your mom, your dad, your grandparents, your friends, anyone, and they say 65 and older, but sometimes people need it sooner, up to whatever. So they're elderly, they just can't do the things they could do. You don't want them in a nursing home, you don't want them in assisted living, you don't want them on a step ladder.
Absolutely.
That's why they end up in the hospital. So we're the ones that will come in, and we even have a certification through where we've done a full 12-point inspection of the home, and we can kind of look and see what it needs. Maybe they're in a wheelchair now and they need their door widened. We can go in and do that. They need grab bars in their bathroom. They need their bathtub taken out and put in a walk-in shower.
Yeah.
So we have all that.
So the full gamut.
And we even offer warranties. Like if they want to buy a monthly warranty for us to come in and do an inspection, or a quarterly one, then that's part of it also. So we can get
and that's something different too.
Yes,
that's something, this is really what makes them stand out. And I met Angela and Spencer through the Tampa Bay Beaches Chamber. So you are newer to this area. So far, what are you loving about this area? What's your favorite?
just not everything.
Really?
Yeah.
Really? And you're from Tennessee?
From Nashville.
Right, from the mountains?
Yes.
Oh, it's just up in Nashville, not too long ago.
Yes, Nashville and Knoxville.
And Knoxville. We go back to football games.
Yeah, oh good. Well, there's good people here, so I think you'll like it.
Yeah.
So, and then what can I do to help you? I think my clients, I know lots of people that need handyman, but what are ways that I can help you with your business?
So, of course, referring.
Okay.
Any of your current, past, or present, your customers, and know that you can trust us.
Yeah.
Feel comfortable
That's the big one.
that we're the ones walking in there and doing the inspection or getting the job done.
Perfect.
And we've got good connections, and we're local, we're right here, so, and actually we're...
And accountable.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah, we'll be licensed, insured, bonded.
Yes.
So you'll have,
all the accountability that we need, right?
To make sure that, you're dealing with a trusted.
Right, when you have someone into your house, your parents' house, your grandparents' house, again, this is for all services, not just aging in place, but we really want someone that you can trust coming into your home, your abode, right? So I think that's really what stood out to me with
one thing that we noticed about living here for 2 years, there's a lot of people that live here during the winter months but not so much in the summer months.
Right.
And another service that we offer with that is that we could check on those properties while
Oh,
you're
for the
not.
snowbirds.
Yeah.
Snowbirds where they're not here, to make sure that the water's not leaking, the AC's on, they're not building up problems
Yes.
for down the road.
Perfect.
And that's part of that program she was talking about.
The warranty.
The warranty.
Yeah, okay.
And there's a big need for that here too.
I would say there is. I
Right.
mean, we do struggle with workmanship at times in our area, right? We have complaints and people that are doing work that they shouldn't be doing. So that's why I'm really hesitant to recommend someone. But when I found Angela and Spencer, I wanted to recommend them. I wanted to let you know about them because I get asked the question all the time for Handyman. So thank you both for coming. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
We'll see you again soon, I'm sure.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
At the chamber.
Thank
All
you.
right. Have a great day.
Thank you very much.
Kelly.
Nice to meet
You
you.
too.